Guangzhou Chaoxian Packing Machine Company Limited was established in 2012 with a registered capital of 5 million yuan. It is a modern high-tech specializing in the research, development, OEM and ODM, sales, and related technical services of filling machinery, capping machine, labeling machine, packaging machine, and its automatic production line. The products are mainly sold to the United States, Canada, Italy, Brazil, Russia, European, etc. As a high-tech packaging equipment company with cutting-edge technology strength, a first-class management level, and a perfect marketing system, CX Packing Machine provides customers with the cutting-edge professional information, complete products, integrated solutions, and quality logistics services. To better serve more customers, CX Packing Machine implements an online and offline integrated linkage strategy and is committed to expanding the international market. Relying on its rich resource advantages and the management philosophy that can adapt to the development of the times, it adopts diversified management, continuous bold innovation, caring service, and integrity management, and has been highly trusted and unanimously praised by customers. Providing an integrator service and giving the best suitable solution for operational aspect to fulfill our customer needs. We give our best support and suitable solution to our customer needs. We put the heart in every detail of our works. We find our fun in our passion and great teamwork, giving the best result and real meaning to our life.